ready, go ahead and grab any costumes you have and your ballet shoes or socks. Grab a friend, whatever you need, because we're going to get right into it with some moves from our previous classes as well as some new ones. So let's get started, Casey.
All right, everybody. I need all of the princesses and princes out there to grab your crown and place it on your head. Okay, now it's very important that we don't let your crown fall. So stand up nice and tall, good posture throughout the whole dance. Okay, so we're gonna start in first position. Remember, first position is where our heels kiss and our toes are turning out. And our arms are grabbing your basket of flowers or apples, whatever you wanna grab. And they're down in your first position. So we're gonna start with a tendu and a plie. We tendu front, point your toes out nice and strong, and squeeze your heels back together. And as we plie, we're gonna drop the flowers, and then we'll pick them back up again. And then let's go out to the side and do the tendu and plie again. We tendu to the side, squeeze your toe, and pull back in. And as you go for your plie, drop your flowers, show everybody, and pick them back up again. Now we're gonna go to the back, do your tendu to the back, and reach your fingertips out to the front. Toes are nice and pointed in the back, and we squeeze our legs together. One more time, plie. Good, and straight, nice and tall. Did your crown fall?
Ooh, mine almost did.
It's okay. If it does, just pick it back up and place it back on top. Okay, ready to add on? So now we're gonna go back to our arabesque. Do you remember the arabesque?
Arabesque? That was from our second episode.
I think so too. I'll show it to you in case you forgot. We step out to the side, reach your toe back behind you nice and tall. Smile, don't let your crown fall, and come back to center. Awesome, so we're gonna add that on after our tendus, and then we're gonna do the tendus on the other side. So we'll start with your left foot, reaching forwards with your toes, squeezing back together, plie, and straight. Here we go to the side. Tendu, toes reach so far away, show off your nice toes, and pull them back in. Drop your flowers, and pick them back up again. Now to the back, and fingertips go forward and to the side. Reach your toes nice and far behind you, and squeeze them back in. Drop your flowers, and pick them back up again. And now we're gonna do a bourree turn. Remember that one? I love that one. That was my favorite. So we go up on our toes if we can, and we turn, 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 turn. And we come back center. Awesome work, you guys. Do you feel good? Do you remember it? Should we do it from the top?
I definitely did it.
We'll go over it from the top. Here we go. Crowns in place, smiles on, and tendu. And together, plie, and close. Again, tendu, together, plie, and close. To the back, tendu, together, plie, and close. Arabesque, step to the corner, lift, 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 and back to center. Other side, tendu, squeeze, plie, and close to the side. Close, plie, and straight. Now to the back, reach, together, plie, and we bourree turn up, 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 up. And back to your first position. Wow, guys.
That was so fun.
Good job, team. Are we ready to add on more? Okay, let's add on. So remember, we've also learned this one before. The chassé, that's the step, together, step, and step, together, step. Awesome. Now let's add on and use our arms to draw a big circle. What is in the shape of a circle? Can you think of anything? Maybe an orange? Maybe the world?
Yeah, like the world we live on.
Yeah, because it's a whole new world we're drawing today with our dance moves. So I want you to take your arms up and around like you're drawing a big world. And then reach, 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 reach to everybody on your other side. Say hi, look at my world. And then you're going to take your arms up and draw your world. And reach and wave to everybody on this side and say, hi, look at my world. Okay, so let's add those arms with our chassé and put that move together. Here we go. We go step together, step, reach, hi friends. And to the other side, step together, step, reach, hi everyone. Okay, so now we're going to learn our Chaîné Turn. So our toes are already pointing to the direction that they want to travel in, so we'll follow them. And we're going to take our arms and they're going to open and close as we turn. And here we go. We step on that foot, we swing the other one around, and we step open. It's a little tricky, but you guys can do it. Let's take it to the other way because my toe is telling me he wants to go to the other way. Here we go. Step, together, and step. Nice work, guys. Let's close our toes up, and we're going to hop on our magic carpet, and we're going to ride to the next destination. Where's your next destination? Ooh, maybe I'll go to Australia. Safari ride. Here we go. Run, 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 run. Reach up to the clouds, find your favorite color cloud, and bring it down and back home. Nice work. Now we get to skip to our next destination. Here we go. Arms reach up with your clouds. And let's reach and skip. Reach and skip. Like your hands are blowing in the wind. That was a great destination. Maybe we'll go home next. Let's step back with our right foot down to your knee. And let's take your left toes to meet it. Cover your heart with your hands because that's where my home is. I love home. Me too. And let's sit down on your bottoms and smile. You guys, that was it. That was everything.
Wow. That was so much fun, you guys. Do you guys want to do it from the beginning slowly?
Yes, I think we should.
Let's do it.
All right, princes and princesses out there, put that crown on your head and let's start in our first position all the way through. Here we go. Tendu, reach your toes, and plie. To the side, tendu, and plie. And to the back, reach, and plie. And arabesque, reach your toe, lift, 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 and come back together. Other side, tendu, and close, plie. To the side, tendu, and close, plie. To the back, tendu, and close, plie. Bourree turn, up on your toes, and back down. Chassé, draw your world, and wave to your friends on this side of the world. Draw the world, and wave to your friends on this side of the world. And Chaîné Turn, step, together, step, other way, step, together, step. Feet together in first position, ride your magic carpet all the way to your next destination. And grab your cloud and bring it back home with you. And let's skip all the way. Back home we go. Skip, 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 skip. First position. Let's take our right foot down and our left. Hands over your heart and sit. We made it!
You guys did it!
Great job, everyone.
All right, now it's time for the music. You guys ready?
Here we go.
much for teaching us our first Disney theme class. And don't forget, if you want to check out other classes, you can always subscribe to our channel. And have a great rest of your day.
We'll see you next time.
Bye.